Hi everyone, it's your girl Ifama. Today I'm making nails. You can see I fixed my nails already. I fixed it off camera. I'm trying to showcase it. Don't mind her, she's crazy. Just feeling her nails. I wish I can leave them long. Okay, it's time to cut it out because I still have to work as a stylist, So I'm cutting it off. I have to put it in a speed so that the video is long. So I'm cutting it very short, so that I can do the work. I do braiding. Now it's time to file it. Just filing it. Oh my god. Look at how serious she is. Okay. I'm filing it. You file it very well to the shape you want. I want an A shape, so I'm filing it to A shape. I'm fast forwarding it to make it as fast as possible because it's a long video. Okay. She chewing her gum. She didn't give a fuck. Oh, sorry. She didn't give a F. Yeah, so you have to file it very well and make sure, yeah, that's it. Now it's time to apply the acrylic powder. The video that displayed was acrylic. That's my table, was scattered, I know. So now I'm trying to put the things together. I want a pink and I just don't really know what I want at this moment. I just want to do something on my nails, and yeah, I'm mixing everything. I'm sorry I couldn't show how I was mixing it because there's no way to place my phone. So yeah, maybe I will show you guys in the next video if I get a stand. Okay, so I'm applying it right now. I'm applying it. So what you do when you apply your acrylic, if you want a clean acrylic, you apply it bead by bead. And when you're taking your bead, don't make the liquid, that the monomer, to be much. When you dip your brush, you have to dab your brush on a tissue paper to reduce the monomer liquid. If it's too much on the brush, then you dab your brush inside the acrylic powder. And if your acrylic is not smooth, you don't have to place it on the nails. You have to take that away and make sure your acrylic is very smooth and soft, then so that when you apply it, you don't drag too much. You just allow it to flow. No need to drag, because when you're dragging, yeah, I'm done. This is the application. I talk too much. This is the application. Yeah, this is what it is. This is how it comes out. I really want to design it, but I'm still showing you how my application comes out. Yeah, this is it. This is a closer look. Boom. This is the design. I just didn't know what to do, the design to do. Yeah, I just freestyle, do something. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Bye.